Hello everyone. We're gonna start in a couple minutes. Okay. As always, guys, welcome to the stream. Today, we're gonna talk about watchlist building session. This is preparation for the following week. I'm sharing my trading ideas, like what I'm gonna look at, what kind of news like we have next week, and etc. What days I will be looking at like to trade, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so let's start with Monday. First of all, what I want to say, this is the beginning of the week, beginning of the month, so we might have like crazy manipulation. It's hello freedom, crazy manipulation with all the news that we had over the weekend and so on and so on. So be very careful this week. Like if you can afford not to trade it or like use low risk, do it. Be my guest. I probably will lower my risk because I need I have like payouts soon. I need the wait for payouts on the prop firms. On my personal account, I'm in a really good stage right now. I just need like one more profitable week and I will jump to like next risk reward, next like risk level. So it means I will increase my risk by like 50%. But anyway, so let's have a look at Monday. It's a PMI day. Usually during PMI, its price action is trash. A lot of manipulations, a lot of crazy moves. Yes, like we can compare it to like Friday moves when silver went down 38% and gold 15%, and BTC went down from like 94k to 75. Yeah, we can compete to this, but in general we might have like some manipulations, so be very careful at trading on Monday. So we potentially can trade it, but better not to. Okay. Tuesday we have job opening. Once again, not a great news to trade, especially when we have news after the bell, like 30 minutes after the bell, and it's kind of important news and important data to look at. Again, like Tuesday, not great. Non-farm employment change and services PMI on a Wednesday. Once again, not great at all. A lot of manipulation. PMI for European Union. So German 40 won't be happy. Won't be like perfect instrument to trade. Then what do we have? Okay, we have monetary policy statement for European Union on a Thursday, plus British pound use will also affect German 40 in Euro USD, and probably will affect like US indexes as well, but I don't think so. But from European side, like Euro USD, British Pound USD, DXI definitely. What else? like German 40, EU 50, UK 100, and French 52. So yeah, so maybe we're gonna trade on a Thursday, because looks like fine. We have a news before the bell. Yeah, looks okay. And non-farm employment change. So yeah, we can skip like the entire week, to be honest, because it's non-farm week. It's better to skip it completely. Okay, I don't know if it's good. I'm gonna be like streaming. I will try to stream. Maybe we'll try to get like some trades out of this week, maybe some profit. But if I will get like 2 stops, I let myself like 2 stops this week. If I get like 2 stops, I'm gonna stop trading this week. So like 2 stop maximum. Okay, so be very careful here. This is an extremely difficult week to trade from news standpoint. It's a non-farm employment change week, in average early earnings week. So keep this in mind. We have also a lot of PMI. We have, so yeah. So just if you can, just keep it. Okay, now, no. Because keep in mind, your main goal as a trader, not to lose money. This is your main goal. Chess, skip this week entirely. Okay. Chess, skip this week. It's a non-farm week. Open economic calendar and then you will see everything. Yeah, full port, man, full port. Okay, now let's go to the charts. What do you want me to start from? BTC? Gold. Голову не надо, просто тело, и почисть зубы с ним, пожалуйста. Okay, so going to gold. As I've been saying many times, guys, don't long gold. It will drop. So eventually drop, but I'm expecting price to go like a bit lower till 3,900. So there is a trick here, or we have a structural shift on 1 hour time frame, which is fine for gold, and price will keep going lower. So like where we have, so the swing low, swing high. No, we don't have the swing low here. No, it's already downtrend, definitely downtrend. What we can have here, we can have hit test over fair value gap, I guess, and this order block, this one, because this where a lot of people been locked. I don't know if price will get there eventually, but from my perspective, from my point of view, most likely this zone is gonna be tested. No, this order block, this order block gonna be tested. If price will come here, there are 2 options. First, like price will come here, we'll get reaction, and price will keep going lower till 3,900. So like my final target that I've been expecting on gold for a very long time, since 4,400, since this move, right? So since this drop, because this, it was some rally that I didn't expect, and nobody expected it. So this pump, it was unexpected pump. So I didn't expect price like to go up like almost 28% on gold, because it's a huge amount of money that joins the system. Yeah, Chess, like just don't trade. I probably won't trade at all. I guess I just like take the week off. Okay. Now if we will see some sort of reversal here, it's gonna be swing high, swing low, right? Premium and discount. And we have local, oh my god, we have local liquidity. Let me remove this fix angle. We have local liquidity. If price will bounce here out of this order block, this one, I'm expecting price to get here. And from this zone, we can see two potential moves. Downwards, forward 3900, right? Down forwards this one, because we have already downtrend and it's a clean like double shift, right? So this is a mess, market shift or church, and this is already break of structure, right? So this is my mess, this is break of structure, and we just like testing this premium, testing this fair value gap and order block, and then price like moving downwards, right? So this is like one thing. Second thing that play that we can have from like this zone upwards, right? And price will keep going higher no matter what, and so on and so on. Or it just keep falling, This is the most darkest scenario, the most bearish scenario I have. So this is like three options. Just like remove account from your MetaTrader, that's it, and don't trade. That's simple. Okay, this is gold. Silver, like pretty much the same. So it went down. I expected price to go like a bit lower till $50, because if we check like weekly, this was a huge sell-off. It's a huge order block. And I've been expecting price to do like some rebalance here, because if we go on a monthly time frame, well, we need the price like to test like this area. So this 69 to 50 area. So this area where price most likely will go, right? But this is global, from global standpoint. If we go on the lower time frames, major liquidity been taken, so this liquidity been taken, right? Internal liquidity. And now most likely we will see bounce here. Till what? Till like what area? Pretty much the same. So till 0.5, till 95.8, or maybe till 100. So this is the silver. Around like this area, and then keep going lower. Or another thing that we can have a range. 1 second. Okay, so silver, this one pretty much similar, right? Where is this? Forex, gold. Okay, so or similar to gold, we might have a range here, because this was fast drop, and we have a range here between 118 and 73.6. So we can have like two things. We can have like bearish flow when price will keep going, actually three. So when price will keep going downwards, or range where price will consolidate, and we will have a range for like 1-2 years, or it was just liquidity sweep and price will keep going high. I don't know, but after this major drop, almost 38% in one day on such heavy like market like silver, it's crazy. Okay, if you have questions, guys, as always, feel free to message in the chat. Now let's go to BTC quickly. Like we have a downtrend. My friend thinking it's over, and I can understand him. We might go and see like 75k, but from his point of view, this is just a correction on a weekly time frame. We can see like 50k. Price can rebalance in 39.47k before going away. So if we will see something like this, then price will keep going higher. So it will take up to like 1-2 years within like, so till the end 2026 to maybe next year. It's possible. This is weekly time frame, so this is possible. Otherwise, we're gonna test like 71k, reverse, and keep going higher. It's all about how weekly candle gonna close, because right now this is bearish. I hope you can't deny it. So this is like bearish. You can say like whatever you want, but we came into this weekly fair value gap, right? So we came into this zone, we got reaction from it, and now like where is next zone that can give like some reaction? Where is it? Let's open monthly time frame. Only like down below. So okay, let's use volume profile. Where is the biggest amount of volume that can be taken? Right there. So this amount of liquidity, there's a huge amount of liquidity right there. Yeah, a lot of people bought at the bottom, but who said that price like won't get to 50k? Imagine what will happen with BTC at 50k. Similar to what happened when it hit like 20k. I think a lot of people will start selling, and this is what big guys want. 1 second. Want to end went all unites. Yes, well, when BTC went up, only Ethereum like did something, right? So this like pump to all-time high. But if you open Ethereum, I've been saying it like for a long time, it might be a range, deviation from the top, deviation on the bottom, and it's gonna be huge consolidation. Imagine if Ethereum will go to like 1k, it's gonna be huge. I don't know, we'll see. In my opinion, if you believe in a crypto, just keep buying spot. That's it. That's it. No. Okay, now go to DXI. Look at DXI. 1 sec. Let me. Look at weekly closure. Look, for me it's a consolidation. So dollar can be reversing here. So if price will drop below 95.5, this is over. Simply over. But for me, this is Wyckoff. Clean Wyckoff. And this is sprint right now. And price can keep going high till 102. And this will happen. Or indexes like USD, British pound will start like melting. So keep this in mind. Now euro, similar, exactly the same. from this swing low till this swing high. It's a global view right now. Price can keep going lower till 111 and 3, right? If we go on a daily, we have a lot of liquidity that has to be taken in this one. So most likely price will go till 108. Most likely. It's a global view. And on 4 hours, we're already bearish. Yes, it can be a very nice AMD. Yes, but next week is extremely important because we will have a reaction from this fair gap that in discount, right? If on a daily it's gonna close like down below and one more time below, so it means price will keep going lower. So this area right now, that's why this week gonna be difficult to trade, because I don't know what's gonna happen right there. So we're right now in long poi, or we're gonna have reaction and price will keep going upwards, and we'll have expansion towards like these highs, or it was over of like this move that we had for the last, how long? For the last year. Imagine 1 year of like this bullish move, this bullish trend. 1 year, and now it has to be correction, right? So it's possible, but the question is, will we have correction right here and this like point, and this from like this after this month, after January, so in February, the beginning of correction, and price will go like lower to take out like this liquidity and test discount here, or it will be reversal and price will go it will keep going higher, and it wasn't reversal, and we will see move upwards. So it's tricky, right? For British pound, similar. We have liquidity that can be taken, but also it can be liquidity sweep here, right? Because look at this. If we open daily time frame, look at this. This stop, it was bottom. That's it. Sec. Yeah, we'll see. Nasdaq, weekly candle. Let's hide all drawings here. I guess we have to open futures. No, we didn't take. Oh, look at this. Look at this on the futures. And on the spot too. Look at this. So we'll close it with the high. Okay. Going to on lower time frame, let's start with S&P 500. Nasdaq is not that important because it will follow S&P. Daily, it's already closed not that well, because when price been bought, so like we had this week, and look at this. So we had this week, so next day, it's a pure price action, has to close like above right? So it has to close like higher. So it shows intentions that price will keep going up. This, no. Most likely it will keep going lower. And Q, yes, it's SMT. It's a huge SMT on daily time frame. Huge one. Look at this. This high, Nasdaq, daily. That's it. Look at this. Let me remove all alerts here. What is it? Yep, this one. So this high didn't take liquidity from like any highs, right? So it's a huge SMT. No. Let's go on lower time frame. What we see. What a dog shit, Jesus Christ. So we closed outside. So this is already bearish. Like I said, this, it was Friday. And you see how we closed. We still closed extremely bearish, but we didn't break a structure, no. It's still an uptrend. Have this fair value gap, this one, and liquidity. So I don't know. We have to wait this week, guys. Like a lot of like uncertainties, a lot. So we have liquidity from both sides. Yeah, I would love to wait, because I don't know. It can go into the directions. It can do like this easily, or it can just like fall. So it's 3 options or more. German 40, yeah, it looks alright. But all depends on this fair value gaps that we have here. So if you're looking for some position like quick scalp, I would say opening long would be a nice idea here, because we have a swing high and swing low, and this fair value gap in a premium. So yeah, I would love to open long positions towards this fair value gap, and then wait reaction from here. Or it's gonna be bearish, we're gonna have like a bearish flow, or we will see reaction, and then price will get upwards and will keep going higher. If this will happen, then great, we can work longs. But definitely I would love to see a long position. I would love to open long position till forwards this fair value gap, and most likely just like 0.5. So you have to close your position at 0.5. Yeah, okay. Something like this. Dow Jones. Dow Jones bullish. Dow Jones bullish, but let me see. Look at how it dropped last time. We had equal highs, and price just like start falling with all this liquidity. So before every single drop, it can drop even with liquidity. Look at this. Yeah, it can drop even with liquidity. Yeah, it's been nice. Just work like on daily candles. So for now, we have an uptrend, right? So we have an uptrend. It's an uptrend here. What we have? Inverse fair value gap. This one. And order block, right? In uptrend. So can set alert here and wait for reaction. So if it's gonna be drop, we can expect like some move upwards, potentially. If it's gonna drop and close outside of like below it, then yeah, we can expect like bearish move. For now, it's the overall on the daily 4-hour time frame we have a bearish flow, even like 1 hour, because first shift there is no structure, man. I cannot see structure, man. I just can't. There is no structure. It looks like a range to me. Yeah, it looks like range to me. Yeah, and all volume on the top. I don't know. Have to work on it locally. We'll see how market gonna open, mark like some zones, 1 hour. 1 hour zones, like let's say, don't try to build a global picture because it's impossible. It's impossible. It's just impossible. That's after scalping works from fluxure strategy. Unicorn, do you what do you mean? I just like don't understand. Like, there is a video where you can connect your broker to SFX algo with webhook. I know it's possible, but like I said, it's gonna take every single trade, unless you will set specific time when it has to add go into position, specific criteria that have to be in your trading strategy, so you can automate it. Not so, because if you're gonna take every single trade that's gonna pop up with this fixed algo, it's gonna be dumb, because not every single E is good. Showtime. This is and guy left. So he asked a question and he left. Cool. Ivan, you can check all class recordings, but my main criteria, it should be liquidity sweep. But liquidity sweep is the main criteria. Yeah, so if there is no liquidity sweep, there is no trade for me. Not MSS is a shift, yes, they cool to have, but with aggressive strategies like stop hunt, you can jump without it. So, like, I don't understand, the guy asking question and just like leaving. What? Yeah, and obviously when you like after when you automate like strategy, you have to you will lose a lot of money on the fees, because I know a guy who like automate strategy by using SFX algo, by the way. He has like over 400 trades on the gold. 400 trades. And it's not fully automated. He sits and he just turning on and off like when he sees like trend changed on lower time frames. And this is scalping. And guy literally sitting in front of PC for 12 hours. It's not fully automated. Yes, in one day. It's Wayne. Wayne like automated SFX algo. But he's like he showed me he has like 400 trades in one day. 400 trades. But he makes good profit of it. Yes, he's making profit. But it's not like he's just pressing buy and sell, but he just like letting indicator to print. But when trend changes on lower time frame, he turned it off and change direction. It's not like fully automated. And I don't know how he did it. It's just a general idea. I know he'd been testing for like 1 year or so before he started like making money. It's not that simple. Pretty much that's it, guys. Pretty much that's it. Do you have any questions? I probably will trade German 40, guys. No, I don't even look at it. So oil just keep going up. That's it. It's in long boy, so in short boy, we took this major liquidity. So most likely we'll see a correction before go higher or keep going lower. That's it. That's simple. Questions, guys? If you had to pick 3 pairs to trade this week, what's German 40? Like I said, maybe Euro USD, because I still think we have some room to fall. So if we will see like any pump, especially if price will test this 4 hours forward gap here, I would love to open short, right? So this one. Yeah, I would love to open short like this. So it's like 2, and maybe gold, maybe open long gold till 0.5, till 5100. So we have around like $250 to go. So this is like really nice, like potential long here. And we got reaction from this order block. So if price will break above like this area here, it's gonna be nice long position. Like this. So this repairs. Nasdaq, maybe I will look for something, or like Dow Jones, have to wait. I don't see like anything. I don't see anything. Maybe to take out like this liquidity here on Dow Jones after testing this forward gaps or something like this. But have to wait for market opening, because if we open with a gap, like open gap here, right, we will see pullback and then price will keep going lower. That's it, my analysis is just going to shit. With Forex market at least I can expect, but if we open inside of this forward gap and start climbing and new weekly open gap will be fulfilled, get into this fair gap, pull back, and then price will keep going higher to take out like all this liquidity. Well, that's it. It's the beginning of the month. Beginning of the month we always have manipulation, but the question is like what kind of manipulation it will be, bullish or bearish. But we have a lot of news. We have like all 5 days we have news every single day, and major news, and not quite good news like to trade, to be honest. I've been like doing the research for almost a year, collecting every single how like price action behave on the news. I've been doing fucking like stupid like shit, like where I've wrote it down how we've been doing, and journal how I've been trading during this day, and so on and so on. And now I know like how price behave during this day, not only like before the news, like 30 minutes, 1 hour. No, exactly this day. Sometimes a week. On non-farm week, I usually had the worst like win rate, because it was a lot of manipulations and a lot of like uncertainty. So for me, it's I don't know. I like this trade idea on euro. I like it. So if we will see like move upwards towards this fair gap before taking liquidity from this low, and before testing this daily fair gap, yeah, I'm happy to open it. I will be happy to open it. Even so, maybe we will pump a bit higher. Yes, it's getting late. It's getting late. Have a great trading week, guys, and thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye.